These aren't all my favourite balloons, but they are the most requested, and sometimes you just got to keep the kids happy. Hi, my name's Joy /Fairy Liquid from the magical land of JingJangJooJong, helping entertain you as you entertain kids. Stick to this channel for the best and the easiest and the most crowd-pleasing balloons. So here they are, what the kids asked for most. I'm going to do them for you now quickly, just so you can see how quickly they are to output. However, do click on all the links, take you to the right videos where you can see me make them in slow motion. So we've got, first up, a sword.
And the best part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout. Raise your arms and wave them all about.
A dog.
Now let's see how low you can go.
I'm going to do a poodle.
Yeah, but can you sing it real slow? So spread the word. 'Cause the party's here, there's so much to do. And the best part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout. Raise your arms and wave them all about. Now let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real slow?
A unicorn.
I got a magical word that's gotta be heard. And it makes the party start, so spread the word. 'Cause the party's here, there's so much to do. And the best part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout. Raise your arms and wave them all about. Now let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real slow? I got a magical word that's gotta be heard. And it makes fun start, so spread the word. 'Cause the party's here, there's so much to do. And the best
gun.
part about it is you and you. So let's see how loud you can shout. Raise your arms and wave them all about. Now let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real slow?
And a bonus one, a snake or a worm, because they often ask for these. Here's what I made earlier. If you want to see what my top 5 balloons are, the ones that I think you should be making for the kids and offering those instead, which are different to, than some of these, then you need to go to that video next. When you offer those, it makes for much happier children generally. If that was helpful to you, comment down below and I'll join you in the next video where we make these together.